What if my beneficiary is a minor? Hi, I'm Neil Tyra. I'm an estate planning attorney in Rockville, Maryland, and I do estate plans for regular folks like you and me. So, what happens if the beneficiary of my estate is under the age of 21? Typically, in most states, including here in Maryland, a minor is not able to inherit directly. So, this is an important consideration to ponder when you're deciding how to structure your estate plan, whether you want to use a will-based plan or a trust-based plan. And in some cases, I typically advise my clients, if they have very young children, that that's one of the situations in which a trust-based plan might be a better choice because of a little more control as to how the inheritance for your minor beneficiaries will be managed. But even if you don't step up to the level of a trust-based plan and you use a will, you can include provisions in your will, and we do on a routine basis, as to how beneficiaries who are under the age of 21, how their inheritance will be managed. And what it basically comes down to is the personal representative or the executor of your estate has several options to choose from if the beneficiary is a minor. First off, you can create what's called a springing testamentary trust, meaning a trust comes into being for the purposes of managing the minor beneficiary's inheritance, and it only comes into being upon your passing. It's created by the will. That might be overly complicated for some, and so you could give the personal representative the option to give the inheritance to the minor's custodian if a custodian has been appointed. A third choice would be the personal representative can hold the inheritance until the minor is of the age of 21. So if they're close to being 21, you can just delay the payout. Or if it's a tangible item, they may want to hold on to it. There's several other options: a guardian, the other parent, if the parents are separated or divorced. Obviously, that would be a primary choice. Or in some cases, directly to the minor if it's of a modest amount. So there's a lot of options that you want to include in your will. If you have concerns about how to manage the inheritance for a minor beneficiary, our information is at the end of this video, and we'd love to have the opportunity to chat with you. Again, my name is Neil Tyra. I'm an estate planning attorney in Rockville, Maryland, and I do estate plans for regular folks like you and me.